Hi guys, here 3 square is 9 minus 6 divided by 3 plus 7 times 2. Here 9 minus 6 is 3 divided by 3 plus 7 times 2. Here 3 divided by 3 is 1 plus 7 times 2. Here 1 plus 7 is 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 16 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. The bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here inside the bracket we have two operations. One is exponent, other one is subtraction. Here the exponent is higher priority than the subtraction, so we have to do this exponent before the subtraction. Here 3 square is 9 minus 6 in bracket divided by 3 plus 7 times 2. Here 9 minus 6 is 3 divided by 3 plus 7 times 2. Here we have division, addition and multiplication. Here the next priority is exponent, and we don't have the exponent right at the moment. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 3 divided by 3. We have to do this 3 divided by 3 before this addition and multiplication. Here 1 plus 7 times 2. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 1 plus, here 7 times 2 is 14. Here 1 plus 14 is 15 is the correct answer.